So my name is Sanjay Kaul. I am president for Asia Pacific Japan service provider business for Cisco.
So what are the top two trends that you see happening in 2020?
See, 2020 is really the year of service providers embarking what I call digital value plays. So networks are getting virtualized. We're bringing in cloud native into the architectures. And I think it is time that we start now flattening these networks so we can enable zero-touch provisioning. Because we're moving into an era which is driven by data, and data needs instant gratification. Hence, zero-touch, zero-trust is critical for the monetization, right? So that's clearly kind of one big piece. The second one is that since it's data, you need to get a cloud architecture in place. So we propose that the telcos start building a horizontal cloud layer where every network function is eventually coming in to make it a seamless experience. So, and then the last one, which is very, very important, is that we need to now embrace automation, SDN, technologies like AI, ML, into everything that we do in telco networks, because all of this put together will help us create lowest cost per bit, will give us service agility, will improve the customer experience, and as well will give us means to create new revenues.
So how has been your journey with V&D over the years?
I mean, my career grew with this. It's really a ritual. Every year I look forward to this. TLF has been very, very professional and have been every year able to mobilize the key thought leaders into this fora. So truly it's like a reunion for me. So I think they do an excellent job.
So if you can give me a little bit short, bite over building the internet for the future.
So look, Internet of the Future is about creating the conducive digital network, because in future you will see enormous amount of bandwidth needs. As you hit 4K and then 8K and then 16K, the bandwidth needs will 100-fold. So as a result, I mean, we look at the consumption at our home. I have a fiber in my home and we consume almost 200 gigs a month. I just couldn't imagine that 3 years ago. So this is going to continue, and for operators to run their networks with a good quality, I think they need to embrace these new technologies, which are the dense, which have the huge capacities. I think I was talking about in the keynote about us taking the core up to 256 terabytes, routing we hit 10 terabytes. I think those are the kind of speeds we need to build the network of the future. And a network feeds internet. If we have a stable network, we'll have a good network internet experience. And I think that's what it really means.